On many of my past reviews on this channel, the reviews channel, the reviews have been products that I have been very happy with, and generally I have felt that the products were so good that other people should know about them. But that's not always going to be the case on this channel. Occasionally there will be products that that fail to meet the most basic performance standards. One of those products that has given me lots of aggravation is this silicone watch strap that is made to fit the Samsung Gear Fit2, which is this. It's actually running low on batteries right now. The original strap that comes with the Gear Fit2 has a peg that just fits through the holes and holds it, but it doesn't hold it very well. So if you can get a more traditional strap that has a traditional type of buckle, although it takes a few seconds longer to actually attach it to your wrist, it stays on much better, and it's a much better design. Now, this particular watch strap can be found on eBay, and it's listed as a silicone replacement watch strap or watch bracelet. This is the second one I bought, and the problem with this strap is that it uses actually quite a nice attachment mechanism, which is spring-loaded. Has a little button right here that gets pushed back with a spring, and then the idea is that on the end of the case for the Gear Fit2, I'm not sure if this is going to focus that close, but anyways, it fits into the end of the case, and it's spring-loaded, and it locks into a little slot in the end, and the idea is that it holds it. Now, this is the problem. It attaches like this, and you can see it, except for this opening right here, it fits pretty seamlessly the case itself. And it has a lock that, so it's supposed, the idea is that you can hear that clip or that click. It's supposed to fit in like that, and then it's supposed to lock so it doesn't come off this way. But as you can see, I'm holding this. The fact of the matter is that this is how it actually works. And you can see on this end, this one's going to actually, I think, fit a little tighter. Just to show you that it's both ends. I'm pushing down. Okay. So you can see that's a really nice, smooth fit there. So at least in terms of how this was engineered, it was done quite well. But frequently, now right now, just because I'm filming this, it won't come off. This is the way it's supposed to work. But I have found time and time again, at the most inopportune moments, both sides of this thing can fall off. And this side will fall off will fall off 5 times a day. You can see it just, even if it seems like it's locked on, it'll just come off. And so the Gear Fit2 has fallen on the floor, on concrete, on, I can't believe it still works. It's fallen so many times. When I contacted the seller on eBay, this strap sells for approximately $9, and they gave me a $2 refund. They gave me a $2 refund, and then that was supposed to be what would make me happy when I told them that they sent me a defective product and that I would like it replaced. But like I said, I had owned one before from the same company or the same seller, and that one didn't last that long, and I eventually had a problem with it as well. So the consensus or my recommendation on this, if you happen to decide to buy it, is I don't know if Samsung itself has come out with this type of buckled strap, but in terms of the product you can find on eBay, and I believe the company I bought it from was called Silicon Valley, so they must specialize in these kind of silicone products. This particular product is a no-go, and you'll just end up being as frustrated as me owning a Gear Fit 2 that you cannot wear. And if during this coronavirus pandemic, if you'd like to know that you're getting enough sleep every night, don't depend on your Gear Fit 2 to tell you that. So that's my review of this silicone replacement band, and the verdict is bad.